Annyeong! Today we're making japchae, a classic Korean glass noodle dish. It has a perfect balance of savory, slightly sweet and nutty flavors with chewy noodles and a mix of colorful vegetables. In this video, I'll show you an easy step-by-step method to make this healthy and delicious dish. The beauty of japchae is its colors. Today we're using something white, green, and orange, which are the most basic and common vegetables for japchae. Use half an onion and thinly slice it. For the spinach, add half a tablespoon of salt to boiling water and blanch a handful of spinach, about 80 grams or 2.8 ounces, for 40 seconds. This lightly seasons the spinach and keeps its color vibrant. For the carrot, use one small carrot and finely chop it, or use about 50 grams or 1.8 ounces of pre-cut matchstick carrots like I did. For protein, I'm using 150 grams or 5.3 ounces of beef. Any cut is fine. I'm using leftover pot roast, cut into thin strips. If you prefer a vegetarian version, you can skip the meat or use mushroom instead for texture. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the beef or mushrooms along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir fry until just cooked. In the same pan, cook the carrots first since they take the longest. Then add the onions and finally bell peppers if you're using them. Stir fry until everything is cooked through. Now let's cook the noodles. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of sweet potato starch noodles along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This slightly seasons the noodles so they blend well with the rest of the ingredients. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes until completely soft, then drain and rinse under cold water. If you're not using them right away, toss them with a teaspoon of oil to prevent sticking. Now for the final step. In a large bowl, combine the noodles, cooked vegetables and beef, and blanched spinach. Then add a half a tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix everything thoroughly until the sauce is absorbed and the sugar has completely melted. And that's it! Soft yet chewy noodles with perfectly seasoned beef and veggies. The full list of ingredients, measurements, and cooking steps are in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.